Yo, what's going on, rollers? I don't know what is going on with my microphone, but welcome back to another video. We're about to do this quick run, 9 miles, paying $20 a mile, day load, super excited. I gotta get gas and I'm running late. Well, let's waste no time, y'all, and let's get rolling. Y'all, how did I end up at the airport? Let me wind this up so y'all can hear me better. First of all, it's hot as hell. I gotta take all this off. But y'all, so I knew something wasn't right because I was using my GPS. There we go. I was using my GPS like I usually do, but like it took me on an exit that, because I've been here before, so I don't know, but I never came from the direction I was coming from. So it took me a different route. Y'all, how did I end up at the airport? The freaking airport. I wasn't even supposed to be up there. It said box truck restricted. But thank God nobody ain't stopped me. I was trying to do a U-turn in the middle of the road. It was a lot. Load is ready for pickup. All right, well, I'm about to go there. But, so this is why it's so important to be early, y'all. Because one, got off on the wrong exit. Two, once I got to the facility, the place where I'm supposed to, where I checked in at the last time I used to come here, nobody was in there. So I had to go to where I load up at. Just be early, y'all. I still need gas, but thank God I have enough gas. Just be early, y'all. Because what if there was more traffic? Now your performance score is messed up. Just be early. Let me go pick up this load, y'all. So they have me holding in this parking lot. Already checked in and everything. All right, this is them calling. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, but yeah, y'all, so it's ready to pick up, but just be early is all I'm gonna say. Just be early. Let's get to loading, y'all. Hey. I'm sorry?
Picking up or dropping off?
Picking up. Picking up.
Picking up?
Yeah. I know, LS. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I don't got a lot of footage. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm about to do this drop off. Everything just happened literally so quick. I didn't have time to get a lot of footage. But we about to go do this drop off 9 miles away. Thank you, Jesus. I'm sure traffic is probably out the booty hole. Traffic. I was supposed to originally, my GPS said 5:32. It's 6 o'clock. I'm still on the highway. I'm just going 9 miles. Welcome to Atlanta. This is horrible. I'm just now getting off the exit. And I had to switch the exit because the first exit was packed up. Jeez. Look at this bullshit. Look at this bullshit. Look at that bullshit. Look at that bullshit. Like, was it that serious? All right, thank you. Do y'all have a seal breaker here? Yeah, bet. Yo, that unloading was actually a little bit much more than I thought, more than I bargained for. Because then I was trying to check out and it was just some back and forth with the ship clerk and the other team, process assistants. Y'all, that's how it is sometimes working with Amazon. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to go get gas, go home. I got stuff to do tonight. But thank you all so much for checking out yet another video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. Until next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later. Y'all can tell I'm tired.